most people not thinking about doing?
Well, I think this is probably going to be the thing that that's going to set you over the top.
Like, dude, it's gonna be like, I'm just thinking about the videos and like just tons of stuff that we could do with this.
So, it's pretty humid again today. The lens keeps fogging up, but yeah. So we back working on the turbo again. I think I wanted to test mount the downpipe just so I could kind of check the clearance of the overpipe, and it all fits pretty A1. So I'm gonna pull this downpipe back off, torque down the whatever you call these bolts for the hot side of the turbo. I think they get torqued down to like 40, it's like 45 or 46 foot-pounds, I forget, but either or. I still need to run coolant lines. Come on, focus. Still got to run coolant lines and all the vacuum lines. I think that's the last lines I got to run. So yeah, let's get to it. Side note: does anybody else have lights in their garage or something like? Once you turn them off, they don't come back on like immediately. They take like an hour to come back on for some reason. Like that one's like kind of trying to come on, but it's not coming on. So as a result, once they do come on, I like almost never turn them off because they're so hard to get turned back on. And check out that ice. I probably need to take that off before I start working on the car. Alright, got the, you can't see anything, but I got the hot side of the turbo stuff all put together. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, all the hot side stuff's put together. So, next step, since it's starting to get late again, I got started late. I'm just going to maybe, I guess, throw on some test fit some of these, some of the piping. It's not going to be able to stay on because I still haven't run the coolant lines and the vacuum lines, but got the blow off valve already attached to this intercooler pipe, and then I'll just throw this on just for good looks so I can take an Instagram picture. But yeah, it's getting late, so I'm gonna have to get ready for bed in a little bit, but I just at least want to see what these look like on the car. So yeah, we'll do that. Alright, that was another quick little, let me get somewhere where you can see me. That was another quick little work session. I'm going to cut it right here and pick it back up on my next free day. I'm getting pretty close, but it's still got some real important stuff I gotta all route through here. So we'll pick it back up on my next free day.
Like I said, I don't know. But if you do something that way, especially like if you only got a budget of like $2-something grand, and then you only end up spending $500, now you got $1,500 to bring you up. Everything
My clutch?
Yeah. What, $600?
It was a little late. I got a deal on it from Lane, but it was like high fives or something like that.
High fives. As soon as you get you need to hurry up, get all this stuff finished. As soon as you get all this stuff done, we can crank it up and let it run for a minute. Everything that we're gonna run the sun and go ahead and put that big nitrous kit in there.
Psych.
What is today?
You know how much?
Saturday.
Matter of fact, bump that.
You know how much my clutch?
Yeah, that's what we gotta do.
The clutch that I'm looking at?
What?
$2 grand.
You don't need a clutch that big.
I know, but it's in the budget.
The import showdown is tomorrow, champ.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying. I'm trying here.
No, I'm just playing.
If I had a truck and trailer, I would tow it down there for sure. But
Oh yeah. Pickle you kumquat.
I remember that commercial.
You son of a biscuit-eating bulldog.
With the French toast.
Think I wouldn't find out about your little doo-doo head cootie queen?
Who are you calling a cootie queen, you lit liquor?
Pickle you kumquat.
Overreact.
No, you're overreacting with when I put your convertible into a wood chipper. Stinky McStink face.
Alright, so I've made real good progress on the turbo build. You know, I haven't been filming this last little bit. That's what it's looking like so far, if it'll focus. So I'll kind of go over whatever I've done so far once I come back from the auto parts store. Yee.
I guess you need to get in.
These seats feel so good.
I wish I had my paddle shifters.
Where they at?
Huh?
Where's the paddle shifters?
They right here, but like I'm ordering some extensions. They just ain't came in yet.
Oh, that's what you mean.
Yeah.
So this should be the last little thing I need. I had to go cop some stuff at Advance earlier today too, but yeah, I gotta get this water fitting, the bottom one tight, and I don't have a 19 that fits down in there. So I went and grabbed a couple of them just because I don't have anything bigger than 17. And as you can see, we got a mess. So it's almost there, people. Almost there.
I wish I could be like Randy and just buy my friend a whole garage so he don't have to use his drill.
This aluminum drill is way easier. Alright, so I don't know what this man's doing. For the exception of all these plastic pieces.
Look, he lit up. Look, he lit up as he Finalizing 5. Look, his little thing lit up.
What the heck?
Back at the funeral, my brother.
This man's literally setting a firefly on fire.
We'll see you in Valhalla.
Well, like I was saying before, this man distracted me. Disregard the mess. The turbo kit is pretty much done, I think. So I don't think I have any parts left over. I should probably go look through these boxes and make sure. Alright, yeah, I don't have any parts left. So MAF is buttoned down. All the hoses are pretty much clamped. Oil fitting. All these clamps, all the hose ends have clamps on them. Boost controller is all connected and buttoned up.
What is here right here?
That's the swooshy spinny boy.
What that do? What is it right here?
That's the dang, what's a good name for that?
What is it?
That's the.
Yep, that's all buttoned up. I need to go in here and see which fuse is for the fuel pump, so I can prime the turbo after I put oil in here. So the only thing that's missing is oil. We gotta pull that fuse, turn the car over, get some oil into the turbo before we start it, and then after we prime it, then we should be good to start it. We should be. I use that
Let's do it.
in quotations.
Let's do it.
Term very loosely.
Hey, very
Should be.
You've been Frankenstein in this thing.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
If y'all have not seen the beginning stages of this whole build, y'all might want to go back and just watch.
Yeah. Like and subscribe.
yeah. My car blows up. Please, just leave an F in the chat. F for respects. Cause this is scary. All right, let's do it. Put oil in it. Where's the
Where's the
oil?
little thing to let you?
Check it out.
There you go.
We don't want this like the last one.
Oh,
Did he put his ear to it?
No,
Were you gonna listen to
I
it?
was like, no, it made like a noise. It made that wasn't just me. No,
You gonna listen
it made
to
a noise,
it?
and I was like, oh, that's what that was. Let me do me like that.
Grady just whispering to you. Let me tell you.
See how thin it is?
Yeah.
So I was thinking about going to 5W30, but I mean 5W20, but
Now that.
some people run 5W20 on
You want that? You want that? Want the thing to be lubricated on startup.
like I know Damon, his car takes 5W20 or 5W30. And a lot of boosted FRS guys run 5W20, I think. I don't know.
If you got a boosted FRS or BRZ, put it down in the comments. What do you run?
I don't know. That's what we're gonna go with for now. This stuff is expensive. Is it one of the big ones? Does anyone know where that? Ooh. All right, so fuel pump relays pulled. I'm gonna turn it over 3 or 4 times for about 3 to 5 seconds, get some oil flowing through here, and then we can throw it back in and try to start it up. And just cross your fingers it doesn't blow up. Don't need that no more. All right. I hope it doesn't.
Well, we have to turn it over first to get oil in it. You gotta get oil in it first. In the turbo first. And then he'll put the fuse back in.
Dang, I got 4K, 24 frames.
Chandler's scared. That's why you stalling right now, man.
I am.
Actually, let him blow up in my face, but still.
It's got more brap to it.
You just say
Subaru-y. That belt's not squealing. Ooh, boy. This is exciting. I want to drive it so bad, but we got to get it tuned first.
Oh, we did it! We did it! We did it! Well, he did that.
Gang, gang. Let me see that. So I don't see anything leaking so far. I'm gonna let it get up to operating temp, see if we get any foreign drips of anything like that. But so far so good.
Give it a little baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it just a tiny little blip.
Just give it a little bit.
One tiny rev for the vlog. Oh, those unequal.
It was opening up.
Those
The blow-off valve was opening up.
yo, those unequal linked headers sound so different. Oh my god. Oh, so perfect. This man just said the most perfect quote for this channel just a second ago. I had to grab the camera so he can tell us again.
Now it's brash.
Yes.
If you look up the definition of brash, this is it.
Yes.
Yeah, now it's
finally.
But before it was
alright.
It was alright.
It did.
Now it's brash. Brash House Garage.
Yes.
Coming to the street near you.
So we upon running it for a few minutes, I found that
it's hot for a reason.
the oil feed fitting was loose right there, so I don't know if you can see it. It's got a little bit of oil, and then there's a little puddle down in there, so I'll probably have to pull some of this apart so I can get down in there and dry all that up. But other than that, I haven't seen any leaks anywhere so far, so if that's the only leak we have, then I can deal with that. I'm good. Alright, so this is not focused. So this is pretty much going to do it for this video. Turbo's for the most part installed. It runs perfectly fine. There's a few things I'm going to go back through and tidy up a little bit. Of course, I got a few more things to put back together on the car. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I got to install the oil cooler and the air oil separator as well, or catch can, whatever you want to call it. Those two things got to go on, and this thing will be fully hooked up for the most part, for the exception of the cosmetic stuff that has to go in the engine bay, which I might have an issue with, but I'll explain that in a whole other video. So yeah, when I come back and tidy this stuff up, I might film it and show you some of the struggles or things I had with installing the kit, which none of it has to do with like fitment issues. It's just kind of stuff that I learned that I could probably share with you guys if I ever had to do this again. So I'll definitely do that. So make sure you like and subscribe. Shout out to Marquise and Austin for coming by to help me knock it on out. Big help. So appreciate it, guys. I guess see you guys on the next one.